In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Discord to n8n, whether you're looking to automate tasks or streamline communication between platforms. This guide will walk you through the setup step by step, ensuring that even if you're new to this, you can follow along with ease. To begin with, the first task at hand is to launch n8n on your device. This platform serves as a versatile automation tool designed to assist in connecting various applications together. If you haven't already opened it, please go ahead and do so now. Once n8n is up and running, you'll notice a neat and organized interface geared towards making your process smooth and user-friendly. Next, direct your attention to the credentials section. This area is pivotal as it holds the access information essential for successful connections between applications. You'll find the credentials section within the n8n menu, allowing you to manage and configure all necessary credentials with ease. In this next step, aim to create a new credential. This is where the magic begins, as you initiate the merging of Discord with the n8n system. Look for the option that says Create Credential. It usually stands out, offering a straight path forward without unnecessary confusion. Click on it to move ahead to the subsequent configuration. Here you'll need to select Discord from the list. By choosing Discord, you're specifying which application you wish to connect, and it's essential for setting up the automation correctly. The taskbar will provide you with the drop-down selection to ease this part of the process. Now that we have identified Discord, you'll be faced with a crucial choice: bot authentication. Bots in Discord act as automated users, capable of performing tasks and providing information to streamline interaction. Opt for bot authentication as it empowers your automations with the ability to interact efficiently within Discord servers. Once you've opted for bot authentication, it's time to incorporate your bot token. The bot token acts as a key, allowing access between n8n and Discord. It's essential to ensure your token is safely stored and only used within trusted environments to protect your data. Take a moment to carefully paste your bot token into the designated field. Accuracy here is critical to prevent connection issues. Finally, having inputted all necessary information, we arrive at the last yet essential step: saving and testing the connection. Click Save, which locks in all your configurations, and then proceed to test the connection. Testing ensures that everything is properly linked, eliminating any potential hiccups or surprises down the line. In case any alerts or warnings pop up, they typically provide troubleshooting tips to resolve them swiftly. That's it. With these steps, you've successfully connected Discord to n8n. Now you can start exploring endless automation possibilities. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial empowers you to harness more control over your workflow.